Here you go.
Do I have to do this?
You go for it.
Oh, nice. My man.
That was our friend to start with.
That's a shotgun.
Right.
That's what. Well, you've seen it. You know where you're going.
He's worried now. Make sure it's opposite. So.
Yeah, I was thinking that, yeah.
How long was that?
It wasn't long at all.
It was under 3 seconds.
Presumably them was just to do it, not to beat you.
No, you have to be.
I think it was about 35 seconds.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, go for it.
No, achieving it is the goal.
Nothing out through the nose.
Like Keith did.
I did not. I did it.
Perfect.
Cover the hole first.
So go down first. Go down first, and then up and open in one.
Like any good girl.
Lean back.
Lean back.
It does. Just look at his eyes.
Is that done?
Half done.
Most of it.
That's pretty good going.
Was it cold or warm?
Warm.
Oh, that'd be horrible.
I think Sean's the winner.
That was nice.